Hey, what's up techno producers, Bruce Mennel here, and today I'm going to show you a fantastic technique to add thickness and warmth to your electronic music tracks using Ozone Advanced tape saturation. Every electronic music producer wants a rich and deep sound, and the earlier the better, because once you have crafted this beautiful low end, you will make better decisions when EQing, adding and panning other elements. Let me show you what it sounds like before and after tape saturation, and what happens when I bypass Ozone 10. I will start with the bass and then the whole track. With tape saturation enabled, you can hear this track sounds deep and natural. It has a punchy low end and my hats are less aggressive. So you understand now why this will help a lot during the creation process. It doesn't do all the work though. I'm using other modules, and if you want to learn how to use them, subscribe now so you won't miss the other steps to a good sounding mix and a great master. Now let's have a closer look at this amazing module. First, what is tape saturation? Tape saturation is a form of harmonic distortion that adds warmth, depth, and character to your audio. It emulates the sound of analog tape machines, which are known for their warm sound. Ozone 10's vintage tape module is designed to recreate this effect, giving your digital productions a more organic and vintage feel. Next, let's have a look at the controls. Start by setting the input drive to taste. This controls the amount of saturation applied to your track. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much saturation can cause unwanted distortion. Adjust the bias setting to control the balance between low and high frequencies. A higher bias will emphasize high frequencies, while a lower bias will focus on the low end. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for your track. You should try out different presets. I like to use refined headroom or tape saturation as a starting point. Use the low end phases and high end phases controls to shape the frequency response of the tape saturation effect. These settings allow you to boost or cut specific frequency ranges, giving you more control over the final sound. And that's it! You've successfully added warmth and character to your electronic music track using Ozone 10's tape saturation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more techno pro tips.